Hello, hello. My name is Mauro. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Smartia. Smartia is an industrial AI technology company, and our mission is to help organizations collect and transform industrial data into operational intelligence and process efficiencies. We're really trying to help these organizations supercharge production by identifying and helping them correct bottlenecks, um, help them outperform competitors through different business models like servitization, really helping them reduce operational costs and drive intelligent decisions within their businesses. And finally, gain or expand control of operations through very well designed and connectivity and visibility of their industrial assets. Over the past 2.5 years, we've worked with a number of very exciting customers in the aerospace industry, for example, Airbus and Rolls-Royce, but also BAE Systems in the defense sector and Airedale International in refrigeration. We've also partnered with cutting-edge organizations like KX and Lenovo, for which we are an AI Center of Excellence for EMEA. So just wanted to take you through about our flagship product, which is MAIO, and what's MAIO about. So MAIO is what we called an industrial intelligence platform. It's been designed specifically for operators, plant managers, engineers, data scientists who want to use data that is already being generated by their industrial assets to generate high level insights and improve their decision making and automate processes within their businesses. The capabilities of MAIO can be split into potentially five main areas. The first one, we help organizations connect and manage industrial assets. We can connect to legacy equipment and industry 4 ready equipment through a range of industrial protocols like OPC-UA, Modbus, MQTT, Profinet, and many others, really. But once you collecting that data, the key is to keep it secure but also accessible to everybody in your organization. And at the heart of MAIO, there's an infrastructure, a data infrastructure that allows us to quickly access that data and have it available in a distributed fashion. But also we give granular control to your users so that you can actually specify who's got control to what in terms of the data, whether they're within your organization or outside. Certainly, there's a range of tools within MAIO that allow you to then drive value from the data that has been captured. One of them is help tools to help you visualize that data, contextualize the data, and we're building what we call smart boards, which are dashboards with ML, machine learning, AI capability on top to make that experience of data discovery and insight discovery a lot more streamlined. Furthermore, we understand that data can be used in many different ways. And so it's what we call smart applications. We've built a framework that allows you to actually put together your own applications of data together with machine learning that digest our data and create insights into a well containerized set of functionality, which we call smart applications. You can build these applications, share it with your colleagues, and share it with partners outside your organization as well. To make all this possible, we've developed a inbuilt AI ML infrastructure that allows you to deploy very powerful models across a distributed framework so that you can actually leverage the power of machine learning into your applications. We've worked, as I mentioned, with a range of very exciting customers on a number of really cutting edge case studies, from composite manufacturing to remote monitoring of industrial chillers and to smart robotics used in retail for fulfillment automation in these sectors. So we would love to talk to you more about what we can do with MAIO, but also how we can partner with you to accelerate your journey into a digital world. So we are Smartia, and MAIO is our flagship product, and we would love to talk to you. Thank you.